This is a simple logo that I just created using Canva, and in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to create a logo for your brand or for your company using Canva AI. Alright, first let's navigate to canva.com and then log into your account. Here, in order to access the Canva AI features, you can click on this button or you can also click on this button. It doesn't matter which method that you want to use, or you can also open the feature when you are opening a design or document, which I'm going to cover later. Basically, you can click here or maybe click here. Again, it's referring to the same thing, and then you can describe the prompt or describe the logo that you want to create. For this example, I'll try to generate a symmetrical logo for a company that sells car accessories. It must contain a steering wheel as part of the design. The logo contains no text. I highly recommend to be as detailed as possible on the prompt to make sure that AI is able to generate a logo that is close to your vision. And then here, enable create an image, and then you can specify the style. Now for a logo, I think the best style would be the vector style. Let me scroll down a little bit, and you can select this option. Yeah, this option, vector. And the aspect ratio is usually square. I think square is the best type of aspect ratio for a logo. And then send the message. Now it will generate up to 4 images, and then later you can download or you can use the logo on a design in Canva. So it generated these options. Now they don't look great because I believe Canva is still using some sort of low quality AI model, so it's not going to be as good as the current state of ChatGPT or even Gemini AI. But I think this is good enough to create a sort of quick inspiration or quick design idea that you could implement to your brand or to your social media profile. So here there are multiple options, like you can ask AI to modify some elements of the picture. You can download it. You can also open it in an editor. And by the way, I forgot to mention that you can also create a logo directly in the editor. So I will try to create a new page, and then I'm going to click the elements menu right here, and then you can scroll down and then navigate to AI image generator and click generate your own. It is referring to the same tool, but it is available in the Canva editor. So I'm going to be using the same prompt, and you can also specify the style, the aspect ratio, and many other elements, and just generate image. So I mentioned that it is not very good. Basically, the result is not quite satisfying in Canva. And I do recommend to use a different AI tool if you want to create a more coherent logo. So here are some examples that were created in Canva AI. Again, not perfect. It's just good enough for giving you an idea or concept. But if you want to create a logo that actually looks pretty, then I do recommend a tool called Recraft AI. So I'm going to show you the tool in a moment. So this is Recraft AI. Let me show you. This is Recraft AI. And if you want to join to this tool, it is completely free, and the link is available in the video description. So let me show you how to create a logo using the exact same prompt that I used on Canva AI, and you'll see that the quality is way different. Now let's open any project in your Recraft account and then click image. And then here you want to select the model to be logo. So change it and then search for logo. Hit enter, and then you can select geometric logo, typographic, handwritten, and vibrant logo. I'm going to go with geometric logo, and I'm going to describe the logo to be the same logo as I use on Canva AI, and then click Recraft. Oh, by the way, if you have any color in mind, you can click on this button and then you can select the color for the logo, but I'll stick with the black and white logo. Click Recraft and just wait for Recraft AI to generate the logo, and you'll be surprised how good the logo really is on Recraft AI. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Alright, so this is the logo, and it actually created 2 different versions that you could always choose, and later you can download the file to your computer. If you want to download the file, you can just right click on the logo and then click export as PNG, JPEG, SVG, or even LOTI format. And by the way, if you're not satisfied with the result, you can always click on the image again, and then you can click Recraft, and it will recreate the logo again. And the best part is that this is free. You can even download the picture without any watermark. Although if you want to use it commercially, you might want to subscribe to the Pro subscription, because all images that were created in the free plan still belongs to Recraft AI. But given the quality of the logo that it can generate, I think it could be worth it. It is only like $10 a month. I think it could be worth it. So from the quality alone, I would say it's way better than Canva AI. And yeah, I think that's everything that you need to know on how to create a logo using Canva and also using Recraft AI. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.